viewers, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make sauce. How to make your sauce. And today the ingredient that we'll be using, we are going to be using our fresh tomato, our red chili, and our pepper. We're going to be using diced onion. We are going to be using ginger, garlic, our seasoning cubes, curry and thyme, and salt to taste. So let's begin. I'm going to be heating my frying pan. I'm going to be adding 1 dishing spoon of vegetable oil, and I'll be adding my garlic. And I'll add my ginger. Also, I'll blend my. I'm going to be adding I'm going to allow it to dry. Now I'll be adding my curry and thyme together.